Even though we are in the 21st century and we are in 2026 getting to 2027, most people think to make money you actually need a degree. Maybe you need connections or you need law, which is actually wrong, which is actually false. The truth is actually something nobody tells you, but obviously I'm going to tell you in this video because I've had to do some few experiences and there are some things that I can tell you for a fact. Okay, so if I had to start from zero in 2026, for example, and in my hand I have no degree. Okay, if I had to start from 2026 and I have nothing in my hands, okay, I have no degree, I have nothing to leverage on, what am I going to do? What am I going to start with? I am actually not going to, I will not focus on school personally. I won't focus on school, okay, and I will neither not focus on a job. Take note about that. I can't focus on the job because making money in 2026 have little or nothing to do with school, and also have little or nothing to do with having a job. It is more with having skills, okay, skills that can be sold, skills that people can buy. Now, I would rather focus on skills, okay, and the crazy part is that these skills can completely change your financial life in the next 1 to 2 years. Take note, I'm not going to come here to give you what people will say. You start a skill or you go into a skill and you're going to make money in 24 hours. That's bullshit. Anything worth living for takes time. Everything worth living for, anything worth a legacy always takes time. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you, or what I'm going to tell you in this video, will be able to help you for at least for your lifetime. But the process of building takes time, but now it's not too much of time. Okay, 2 years is the maximum, but if you're serious in what you're doing, 6 months already you should be seeing results, given that you're consistent, determined, persistent, resilient, and you are disciplined. You have to be disciplined. It's very, very important. Right now the world is changing faster than ever. Jobs that used to be stable are disappearing. Okay, companies are replacing workers with AI, and even people with degrees are struggling to find good income, in other words, good jobs. Okay, but at the same time, a small group of people are making more money than ever before. Just imagine that. Okay, not because they are actually smarter, but because they are, or not because they are lucky either. They are neither smart, neither are they lucky, but because they learn the right skills and they are applying those skills in the right way. In this video, I'm going to give you some of those skills. Without wasting much of our time, let's go direct into the first skill. Is AI automation. What's AI automation? AI automation does not mean that you should become a programmer. No. Okay, I just mean learning how to use AI tools to work faster and smarter. Because in 2026, okay, learning how to use AI tools makes you to be advanced. It makes you to be in a faster or in an ahead position compared to other people. For example, one person writes a video script in 3 hours manually. Okay, he writes a video script in 3 hours. He writes it manually, and another person uses AI tools and does that same video script in 20 minutes. Okay, 2 years from now or over time, who do you think will make more money? I believe you know the answer, right? It is obviously the person that writes or that finishes in 20 minutes. Why? Because what? Businesses don't pay for your efforts. They don't want to know whether you did the job in 3 hours. They pay mainly for what? Businesses pay for what? They pay for results and speed. Okay, once you can get the result and you use speed, you're good to go. So, okay, if I were to start from zero, I will learn how to use AI tools for writing. Okay, automate simple online tasks and combine AI with freelancing or content creation. Okay, this can put you ahead of 90% of people around. Now that was the first. The second, it is content creation. I can't just emphasize more about content creation because it is the new money. You need to understand something. Okay, attention is the new money. Okay, if you can get attention online, you can make money in multiple ways. You can use YouTube, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, you can get brand deals, you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, you don't even need to show your face. For some people, okay, they don't, some people that are shy to show your face, you don't need to show your face. Actually, you can do faceless. Okay, but okay, if you know how to go about it, you're going to make money from it really well. Okay, so people who learn how to create short engaging videos are the ones building income streams while they sleep, because a TikTok video that you post and you go and sleep, the more people view it, the more you're making money from it. YouTube video, the same thing. Okay, TikTok, okay, Facebook, the same thing. So you just have to use what some people will say, what content can I make? It depends on you. What are you doing in your life? What are you into? Okay, if you are a football lover, you should start thinking of creating football content. The process will be slow, but you need to just be focused and do what you have to do. Okay, if you are anyway, you just comment in the comment section below. Actually, okay, if you don't know how to go about creating content, then I'm going to respond to you, and maybe we can discuss privately, and I'll teach you on how to use, okay, the things you have around you to start creating content, for those that don't know how to go about it. Now, the third skill is copywriting. Now, what's copywriting? Copywriting is one of the most underrated money skills in the world. Copywriting means that what? It means writing words that can make people take action. Just writing words that can make people take action. For example, writing a script, and then you say click a link, buy a product, watch a video. Every business needs a copywriter. Okay, because if you can write well, you can write convincingly well, you can sell products online, you can write ads for companies, write emails that generate sales, or even run your own business. And the best part is that you don't need permission from anyone. You can learn it from practice, not theory. You just need to learn from a proper copywriter. Okay, and in less than 6 months time, you're smart, you get to be a good copywriter. With time, you perfectionize the skill and you start making money from it. The fourth skill is digital marketing. What is it? This is the skill of bringing customers to businesses. Yes, dragging in customers, bringing them to businesses, because what? No matter how good a business is, you need customers. Without customers, your business is going to die. Who are you going to sell to? So if you can bring customers, you become valuable immediately. Okay, so digital marketing includes running ads, running search engine organization, SEO, social media growth, understanding funnels. Even small businesses in your city, they need digital marketers. Just need to identify, okay, there are businesses that need drop shippers, that you can just take their products, snap their products, you post on your status, post online. Okay, just need to look for products that can be bought. Okay, you post them. Once somebody asks for them, you go to the person whom you snapped it from, you give the price, the person, you get the product, you give the price, you give the person that wants to buy, and you remove your commission. That's all. If let's say the product is maybe $100, okay, from the source, you tell the person that wants to buy that it's $120 or $130. The person gives you $130. You have your $30, and you give the source $100. Now, if you have to do that maybe 10 times per month, you're making cool $300 per month. Okay, so and the more you grow, the more you gain grams, the more you're going to be making, okay, sales too, even per day. So that's a very nice skill to take into consideration. The next skill to take into consideration is basic coding and tech skills. Basic, because there is advanced coding and basic coding. Okay, now I'm not saying you need to become a software engineer, no, but you just need to know basic tech skills, okay, that are very powerful, because everything is going digital. If you understand how to use simple websites, basic automation, okay, or no code platforms, you can build tools, websites, or services that can make money online. And the demand for these skills are increasing with time. Okay, they are increasing with time. You just need to identify where you can be formed, where you can get the formation for these skills, and you go into it giving your best, and I promise you won't regret learning these skills. The last but not the least is personal branding. It means just investing in yourself. What does it mean? Okay, this is where everything connects, because in 2026 people don't just buy skills. Okay, there is a person that will sell a particular product for you, you buy it. There's another person that will sell that same product to you and you don't buy it. Because of what? That person that is selling that product to you, that you bought it, is just doing personal branding. You have just built trust in that person's personal brand. That's all. Nothing serious. Okay, it just happened. There's just a personal branding. Because what? People don't just buy skills, they buy trust. If people know you online, you get opportunities, you get clients, you get money without chasing it. Even a small audience can change your life. That's very true. You don't actually need to be famous, you just need to be known in a small area, okay, where people can trust you and purchase what you are offering. It can be the fitness niche, money niche, tech, motivation, business. Okay, one strong niche can definitely change your life. To conclude this video, okay, listen very carefully. You don't need all these skills. Actually, you don't need all of them. That's the mistake most of you want to make. One person wants to go and learn copywriting, tech, coding, content creation. You don't need all. Okay, you just need one skill, master it well, and you go deep. You double down on it. Most people fail not because they don't know what to do, but because they keep switching from one thing to another. You start coding, after 2 months it's not going, you drop it and go to copywriting. After, it doesn't work like that. Choose one, focus on it, triple down on it, go in for it and go deep. Everything will be okay. So if I had to restart in 2026, we are in June now, it means you are left 6 months. If I had to restart in 2026, my people, okay, I was going to go with these 6 major skills. Do well to let me know in the comment section the one that speaks to you directly and the one that you are going to be going in for, or the one you have been thinking of going in for. Okay, comment down below, subscribe to get more contents like this. I will see you in the next video. Peace.